Hello, this is Super Pyro Tutorials here, and I'll be showing you today a small demonstration of a sparkler ball. What you'll need is scissors. Any scissors will do. Some sparklers. We're using these sparklers because this is what we could find, because it's New Year's and it's hard to find them. We'll put those aside because we've already emptied them. And we've already taken them out and we'll put them here. And you'll need a bit of tape. Okay, so we'll start now. Step 1. Put one sparkler aside for the fuse and grab your sparklers. Put your sparklers into a nice tight circle and hold it like that. And grab a piece of tape and tape it around so that they don't move. Like that. You'll do that for there and for down here. Oh, that didn't really work out. Just down here. There we go. And now what we'll do is we'll grab a piece of tape and find the beginning of it. This would be better, this step here would be better with someone else, but I'm doing this by myself, so it's not really easy. And you start up here, and sorry about this, just put this here and start wrapping. There we go. Just keep wrapping. And you want to do it to about there on the sparkler. And that's one roll done. These rolls are a bit small, so that's why we've got so many. Just remember to keep the fuse out. Oh, sorry, just put it in. Actually, we'll wait till we've wrapped it fully. We'll grab a new piece of tape. And we'll come back when it's done. There we go.